Just in case over the past few weeks or months we've forgotten just how fucking awesome we are as a collective and as individuals and as creative mechanical beings. I found a baby bird, as you know, at the back of the car, and I brought it home and I put a video up and I asked for some help, and I got the help, and the help suggested I need a heat pad. I've got a heat pad. The help suggested I need a syringe and a dropper. I've got a syringe and a dropper. I'm sure 90% of people listening to me would have exactly the same things around their home, because we're awesome as human beings. They don't want us to feel that we could, between us, take another life and perhaps care for it. They want us to feel vulnerable and useless, that we can't even look after ourselves. Well, it's just not true, is it? We've got the means to affect not just our own lives, but to help other lives. The minority, which is us, and I know you know this is true, the free thinkers, those that aren't affected by the Stockholm syndrome, the cognitive dissonance, we'll always find a solution. We don't see a problem, we see a solution, and it's just a mark of how effective we are as a species, that aside from politics, money, energy, fuel, that our collectiveness has enabled us to communicate through technology to help the life of a helpless baby bird. And although it sounds a bit fantasyful, it's not. And these are the things that they're trying to make us forget, just how useful we are to each other and to nature if we choose to be. Of course, they want everybody looking in the other direction, to be emancipated, to be subverted, to be coerced, to be bent to a will that's simply not human. Cheers, everyone. I really appreciate the the care you take when I find a creature